everyone, welcome back. So let's start. So we have been practicing the JavaScript and try to mastering the things. So let's practice. Just a second. Let's just adjust me. Yeah, I've adjusted. Just a second. So just doing the things. Okay, the array methods, price formatter. Okay, so we have questions array. Let's just get started with it. So what is it? Array method, map, filter, reduce. Price formatter, use dot map to take an array of a numbers like 10. Just a second, I'm just doing some changes. Okay, let's me to complete those changes. Let's see our live is going properly or not. Okay, so let's see, just changing the count. Okay, let's see, does our live is going properly or not. I think so. Yeah, our live is good. So yeah, you can message. Okay, live chat also. Okay, so here we are. What is the question? So array methods, map dot filter dot reduce, price formatter, use dot map to take an array of numbers like 10, 24, 50 and turn them into formatted string like 10. Okay, dollars. Okay, 24.5 $50. Okay, like this. So this is something level up. What we have been told, just see. Use dot map method to take an array of numbers like this. Okay, from to the users we have to take an input of an array which can hold a value of integers, float. Okay, and turn them into the formatted string. Okay, we have to convert it into the formatted string and return the array. So let's start. Let's take a function, price formatter. We have an array. Okay, it's console.log price formatter. As usual we do every time. We have asked that you'll take a input. Let input array equals to prompt. Okay, how we will be taking an input? mm, 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 mm. I have to take an array as an input. Okay, so this is a problem. For now, let's more focus on the logic rather than taking it as an input. Let's pass this input. We will be, if you know that, show comment us. We will be happy to see your version of the code. So yeah, we have been passed data. This was okay, this, and this is the console logs bracket. We got a array. Okay, so what we are want to see the desired output is a string of an array of a string. So that is our end goal. Okay, let's take a breath little and see is okay. You can chat or messages. We will be love to see that. How we can do this? We haven't asked. Okay, array. Let's go to the loop. Okay, we have been asked to use the dot map. Okay, array dot map equals to, okay, return, we have value comma index. Okay, the two thing we have, but for now we will be only access the value. So okay, so we have a value which we need to put as a float, mac dot float. We will having a float string, so we can do this string plus math dot floor of a value, let ans equals to this. Okay, not return, okay, return inside this will be return, and let return the answer. Okay, let's see. I think, yeah, okay, but mac dot floor is not okay, mac dot floor is for remove the 0 0. Okay, but we have to give them a decimal also. So what is for math dot, we are having a math dot floor, math dot seal, or math dot floor will be remove the things, but I just don't remember. Let's google it. Which math dot method is used to get the value in dot points in JS? So we have been searched. Okay, built-in prototype. Okay, fix the numbers to fixed. Okay, not this to fix. We need a decimal to, not to fixed decimal. Okay, not which math dot method is used, which math method is used to get a value in decimal in JS. To fixed parse float. Okay, string parse float, parse string dot parse float. Okay, we have a parse float, so let's try this. Parse float. Okay, no, not the desired thing. We want in 0. Method in JS which helps to get value like 10.00. To fix method. Okay, to fixed. So yeah, let's see. We have a value to fix method, so we will be using dot to fixed 2. And there are a lot of the property that we are not going to remember all of that, but we can just google it and use that thing. The main thing is that you have to understand what is the useful of that. So I think this was our desired output that we are being hoping to get from this our programming. So let just a second, I am taking a little water to drink. Till then you can see, and you can comment it out your versions of the program if you think it can be more optimizedly can be done. So I'm happy to see. So here we are back again. Let's start with the next question. What we have? Okay. So now I think we have another questions, which is about adult filter. Okay. We have to create a function use dot filter on an array use on an object of a user object, each containing name and age, to returns only the users who are older 18. Okay, who are 18 or older than 18. Okay, so let's create a function adult filter. We have created a functions. We are having an okay array of a user object. Okay, we are have in short like a JSON thing. Okay, let's get an array console.log adult filter. Okay, in that we are having object arrays of users object, array of users object. Okay, there will be a multiple objects. Okay, so 1 2 3, and giving them a name, let's say Kanaji. Okay, age, giving them a 08, name, yeah, age giving them 8, name giving them, okay, so let's do, okay, and age is 6. Okay, so when giving age also give something, at least 1 or 2. Okay, rather than 8, let giving them 21, let giving them 18, not even 6. So, okay, so we have given an objects for array. So let ans equals to array dot to dot filter, okay, item comma index idx. Okay, okay, return item dot age greater than or equals to 18. So return the answer. So let's see. Yeah, you can see the two of the object has income, Kanaji object 21 and Radhana object 18, because Kuchu was under 18, so it didn't come. So this is how the filters and map is working. Let's see the reduce. Okay, the reduce is the one of the toughest, not the toughest, a little bit more tricky and more little complex to understand. So let's crack that also. A shopping cart total. Use dot reduce to calculate the total cost of the items in an array of object where each object has a price and a quantity. Okay, where each object has a price and a quantity. Here also we have to work with a JSON. Okay, to calculate the total number of items, we have to calculate the total numbers of items of object shopping cart total where each object has a price and a quantity. Okay, in the JSON we are having a price and a quantity related thing. Let's create a function first of all. We have a shopping cart, not shopping cart. We are having a shopping cart. Okay, shopping cart. In that we got an array. Let's call that inside the console.log, because we are loving that whether we know the answers or not, but we know how to print a statement in the JavaScript. That is console.log. And see what is this shopping cart. Shopping, these are the various accent that we listen. Shopping, souping. What do you like? Comment it out, we will love to see that. So let's see what it is about. Okay, just see, wait a second, reduce We are an object price. Okay, price will be 1000 and quantity will be 0.80 is will be 5 5 5 5, which means 200 each. No issue. Let's given the price of 2000 and which quantity is 20, which means 100. Yeah. Today let's go with the 2 only. Okay, so we are having a reduce array dot reduce. Okay, how it's work? I'm little bit confused because what was it about? I also not remember. We have a accelerate or a index. I know little far, and we have to return the ACC because ACC is returning the this is index. Let's store it the answer equals to, and it will reduce the final answer dot reduce like this. So what will it will be? Okay, let's see. ACC dot we have a total, right? So total is a price 1000, quantity is a 5. So calculate the cost of the items in an array of an object. Okay, so is about okay, let's see how it's working. Yeah, I remember it's like this only. If you have understand, let's in the comment. We'll love to see that. Okay, so it's a price, so it will be adding all the price into this, I think so. Let's check this. It is undefined. Okay, so here we are have a problem due to reduce is just like, and we do in the we have a react. In the react we have something, I don't remember now, but it's look like that only. We have a ACC. Okay, index. Let's just console.log, so we will be have an idea what does ACC have. ACC have okay, we have two things, right? Okay, this is the one thing, this is the second thing we are having, right? ACC dot price we're having 1000. Okay, so now 1000 is there. Is it having 1000? Let's just check how this make the reduce works. How does array dot reduce works in JavaScript? So it's having a simple thing. Yeah, I know it's having a accumulator, which means it will be at a last thing. So just want to see the, let's see the images. We will be having a glimpse of it. Okay, accelerate. Okay, yeah, let's see this. ACC equals to ACC plus ACC dot price. I hope so. Let's see. Nope, not like this. I just remember. I am remembering this accumulator is it will be carry all the additions of this value. So I just don't understand how it's going to complete as a syntax. I didn't remember. Okay, previous current plus previous. Okay, yeah, we can do this like also. okay, this was the previous and this was the current. Okay, remember. So I have to return previous plus current. So previous is current dot price is our value, which we need to add with the previous. And okay, no, not like this. Let's just console.log current dot price 2000. Okay, we have 2000. So let's previous equals to not return like this. Let previous equals to pref plus current plus price. So we are having a 2000. Okay, let's console.log ns undefined because it's okay, previous plus price equals to this, and return the previous thing. Object 2000 console.log answer. At the end it got 2000. It's not like this. Something is wrong that I have been going on. Let's detail analysis how it will be solving, because this is the previous thing and this is the current thing. So 1000 price is getting the current dot price, previous is empty for now. It's the initially this is containing a zero value. Okay, so 0 plus current price is 1000, 1000 plus 1000 again. So here not we will be returning. After that it will be having a current which will be having a 1000 plus previous. Okay, let's see an examples to understand the detail. Okay, dot accumulator. Okay, having a accumulator and a current value, return the value. Okay, we have forgotten to started a initial value here. So let's start giving an initial value and return the previous. Okay, just a second. I think so it's a pen, and just see 3000. Yeah, let's return the answer. Okay, just got something confusions in here, but now clear. Yeah, we got a 3000. What happened is here is like we can understand that whenever we use the reduce method, it contains two things. One is the previous value and another is the current value. Here you can also write accumulator and the index things or item things, so you can understand that as a it conducts two things, previous and the current. And for the previous you have to mention what was the value of the previous thing. So here at the end of the return statement we have just enters the initial value of the previous, it's comma 0. So this 0 is going to the previous thing, so it got a 0 comma the current value is this object, and we have been plusing with 0 plus how it's visually see, it's visually like this. Okay, current previous values containing 0 plus current plus is 1000. So like this 0 plus 1000. After the rotations, the first segment, it's got to second. Okay, someone has tried to message. Okay, thank you buddy. Is it now audible? Let me know in the comment sections, I will be happy to see. Yeah, I've just raised the volume and also the, let's see. Yeah, is it audible? I will love to see your comment. So we have been putting the previous value here by comma is 0, so this value will be going to the initial to the previous. and here previous, and here with the current price is 1000. After again as a reduce, it will be moved to the forward sections in the price. After that, it will be this previous sections will contain the 1000 value, 1000 value. Now it will be like this, 1000 plus 2000, and it will be returned to the answer. So at end of, it will be written only at the end of the thing. So you can see the output will be 3000. So it's like this, 1000. Okay, no, little bit louder please. Okay, I think this was max capacity that I have been told. Is it audible? Yeah, I am check the comment also. Is it loud enough? Hello. Yeah, I'm seeing your comment, waiting for your response. Is it loud enough? Let's move to the next things. We have an object, second questions, object and the key value pairs. Word frequency. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you buddy. So we have objects and the key pairs. Word frequency. Write a functions that takes a string and return an object how counting how many times each word appears. Okay, let's understand the questions. Write a function that takes a string. Okay, input as a string it will be taking, and return an object counting, return an object. We have to return an object counting how many times each word appears. Okay, like if banana has been occurred, so banana's count is 2 times it's occurred. So like this we have to return an answers, return an object. So let's start. Function name as usual we will type. There's a questions. Word frequency. Frequency. We have been created a functions. Let's call this functions. So like this, whenever you solve a max problem, if you know answers, then also you try to do the sum in the pattern. Like in initially we in the smaller classes like 6 7th we are like this for getting a marks for the like include, given, and what to find to analyze the questions. So like that I am just doing this. So even if I don't know the answer, half marks we will be get like this. Okay, so let's solve it. Word frequency. Okay, what is the word frequency here? String. Okay, write a functions that takes a string. Okay, let's go with the banana only. Banana. Okay, banana. So now we have to calculate it's all of it. Okay, words, each word. So let's get a string. After getting a string, let's understand how we can solve this. I think we can do a split. Okay, so let array of string equals to str dot string split. The split is a method which helps to split all the alphabets. So let's just confirm console.log array of string. So here we got a array of each individual letters. So now getting a letters, we will be count all of the things. So how can we do this? Okay, let's just understand. We can use also set, right? But no, here we will like to do with array. Word of a frequency with the method. We have been divided the string into the arrays. So let's see. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. We will love to see that also, and we will also love to see how alternative methods we can do and perform to solving this of the questions. So array we have been splitted. Okay, let's start with a loop. Let I equals to 0, I less than array of string dot length I plus plus. Okay, we have a string and we have been gone to the this we have to store also, right? So let's create an object. Let array of object, not array of object, let object equals to how will we creating an object here? That's also okay. Okay, we have to, what we have to return, we have to return an object count of how many characters. Okay, so in DSA we are having a map like thing, so it helps to do that thing. But how we can do in the array? Let's understand. Let's understand. Think about little. Think about little. New objects. Does it helps to create a object? Let's just confirm. Console dot log object. Does it helps to create object? Yeah, it's helping to create. We can create object like this also. Okay, so does we have a value object or check or something? Okay, I don't remember like that, but let's see. Okay, let's we have a thing console log. We can see the check. Okay, yeah, let's see. Set equals to new set. Okay, in that set we will be passing dot split. This is an method to split value of a array, destructure something. Let's console.log about this set and see how it's working. Set. Okay, so we are having a set of this. Okay, so we have done a set like this. Now we have to put that thing in the, okay, if has, okay, so if how we will check, going to check. Okay, here is the problem has been occurred. How we can check that? Okay, how can we check it? Let me think little more clearly how we can solve this issue. We are having a array of string. Let me drink some water and think more wisely, more accurately. We are also trying to add some music, background little bit music, which will be giving a better quality of understanding. So we are having a set, okay, a for loop. If set dot has array of string, if set dot has an array of a string, let's remove this. We are having a set and object too. Well, let's just experimenting and see what will be of I. Okay, array of a string of I. So if set dot has, if it has, so it will do certain task, else it will do two things. Set dot add, set dot add array of string of I, and also set dot not set, object dot key. It's something of object dot key, right? Object dot key, not like this. Object dot key is not his thing. object dot set. No. How to set on a value in the object? Okay, the key and values. I just don't remember. Let's search how to set a value in the. How to set a value in an object using key and value. Okay, just forgot in JS. Just save thing. Okay, bracket notations q. Okay, object dot value uses dynamic key equals to value. Okay, like this we can set to notations. What we can do, let's see. Push, I want to push. Okay, how to set, how to push value in object key and value in JS. Bracket notations we can do. Okay, let's try with the bracket notations. That's object bracket will be having a value key name. So what is our key name? Our key name is banana. So okay, of string of I, it's our key name. Okay, banana's B character will be as stored. Okay, after that we will be value storing is 1. If it has, then which means we have to store array of string of I. It's actually 1, right? So what is we can do is rather than doing this, we can also, this is a little confusing actually. Does we have any key value things? Okay, assign clear, these are all the things. No, these are not going to help us. If it's having, then it array of object plus equals to object array of string of I. Let's see what's happened. Plus 1. Let's see. Okay, we are, if array if asset dot array is a token, we have turned in something. What we have been doing wrong here? Console dot object, little minimize. What is wrong here? Line number 10. Okay, d1 line number 10, it's having an object, it's having an end object plus array of object plus I is okay. Here we just forgot to add a round bracket. Okay, b1 a7 b a banana b a n n a. Okay, how this is possible? Return obj b1 a3 and n2 b1. Okay, n3. How is n3? Okay, I think this a is 4, n is 2, n is 2, right? Okay, a is 3. Something is wrong, I think so. Okay, array of key, object dot key plus equals to, rather than plus equals to, like this. Oh yeah, a is 3. Okay, we have finally concluded. It was just an experimental thing because I also don't know how to solve this thing properly. We have been using help of a set, which is but this is not a optimized version. This is a more most I think brute force. It's something kind of, because we used a set also, we have used the object also, and we are using here the array also. Most of the things we have been used here, but we got an answers. So like this we have to solve. If you have an optimized version of this questions to solve, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to see that version of the solution. Okay, so let's go to the next questions. If you want to stay updated and connect with us daily, so you can subscribe us and also share with your friends who will be, and also like and comment. So we're happy to say this with you. Okay. Okay. I don't know what does this say. Can combine the shape supports to make it top to state. What does mean by XP? Sorry, XP in JavaScript in the YouTube comment. Let's just search. What does mean by XP in YouTube live chat? I don't know. What does this mean? In YouTube, exercise stand for experience point. It is a gamification feature designed to measure and reward engagement during a creator live stream. Chatting and live is supporting a financial contribution like super chat or super sticker or channel. Okay, live streaming. Claiming point for consecutive minutes of viewing. Example: claiming watch XP after 30 seconds every 10 minutes. Leaderboard rank is determined on the spot of a live stream top fans. Okay, it's just for fancy related things. You will be like crown. Okay, this for the users who do the live stream, do the comments in the live stream. Yeah. Let's move to the next questions. Yeah, we are happy to see that our skills is growing up. We can just solve some of the questions pretty medium size. Okay, these are the basics only for now, but this maybe create sometimes a problem if you can say. Yeah, so we are here to practice things and make it more clearly and understandable. Checker. Okay, so property checker, we have been created a just call it like always we do, console.log property checker. Okay. So what is the question is main here? Write a functions that take an object and a string key name, return true if the key exists in the object and false if does not. Okay, it's a little take more attentions to understand. We have been told write a functions. Okay, we have written a functions that takes an object, okay, and a string. Okay, it takes an object and a string key name return true. Let's drink me some water. Take a water break. You also drink some water, please. Okay, so what we have been called that property checker, write a functions that takes an object. Okay, let's pass an object and a string. Takes an object and a string. Okay, one is the object, second is a string. Key name, return true if a key exists in the object and false if does not. Okay, so let's name Ramesh. We'll pass in a string Ramesh. uh, what does object will conduct, does it if a key is mentioned or not. Okay, so let's enter a ram object and a value. Check if key is exist in the object and false it does not. Okay, so ram has 10,000 something. Okay, we have an object and a string inside, so we have to just check does in this a single object, right? Taken an object. Okay, a single object and a string key name. Okay, we have been Ramesh because in the object the key name is Ram, so indirectly it means the false. So just we have to check if. So let's check return object of string object dot key is equal. Let's first check does this actually work, because for the object related things I am little bit worried. Object dot key equals to str. Okay, error, object dot key is not enough functions. How we can see then object dot key is something we can do this. No, object key is undefined. Okay, object dot entries, object dot entries, like this we can see the object dot entries, right? Okay, yeah, like this we can see object dot entries, but what let's just comment it out because it helps to see the value inside the object. Okay, so but I don't want like this. I just want to see object dot values. Does this work? Object dot values? No. Object dot value. Okay, this is object dot entries we are having, which gives us provide us array of key and value, right? Okay, so let's store it. Let ans equals to object dot this thing, and we just cut it off. Console dot log ans. Okay, so what we got, a ram and 10,000. Okay, so what we will do is return ans comma 0 if object equals to this, so which means true. Okay, okay, false. Okay, so just we have been complete. So remember, object dot entries is always provide you an array which will be just divide your keys and values into the single array. So like this we got a value and we compare that value, because the first value will be key and the second value will be object. So we just compare that does this key is equal. If I just create same, so it will be true. Okay, not a true. Why? Let's see now. Okay, what is the issue? Let's see. Console dot answer. It's a RAM. And what's issue is here? We are having okay, we are having object into object. ans comma 0 will having okay, so we have a multi array. inside that. But why would the multi-array visit it? Okay, I don't know, because yeah, like this we can access the multi-array values here also. But why would the multi-array is there? Okay, I will enter instead of this. If we do this, so what is the issue? 0 comma, let's say 0 comma run. This console log answer. Okay, let's see again. It's getting a 2 array. Okay, yeah, no issue. Like this also we can do. If Ramesh, so it will be false. It's Ram, it will be true. Yeah, you can see. So we have completed this property check also. Let's move forward with the next question. Next one is a dynamic keys. Create a functions that takes two argument. Key name. Okay, so this was, I think this will be our last question. So we will continue tomorrow. Okay, we haven't completed this things also previously. No issue. Let's complete this one for now today. Dynamic keys create a functions that takes two arguments, a key name and a value name, and return a new object containing key and value. Create a function that takes two arguments, key and name. Okay, let's create a functions. Dynamic keys. Okay, string 1 comma string 2. We have taken a string 1 string 2. Let's call the function first of all. Console.log dynamic dynamic keys. Okay, let's value key, and let's have a value of a value. Okay, so we are passing the two parameters, two arguments, key name and a value, returns the object. Okay, so we are naming a key. Okay, but it will be confusing. So banana, 20 rupees value. Okay, for now we are returning two arguments. So they have meant the argument, they didn't inform the return that it will be a string only or something else. So okay, so we have added a banana and it went to values. Okay, create a let object equals to new obj is it object. Then create a new object, object object bracket okay, object bracket str1 equals to str2 and return obj. Let's see, banana. Okay, it's not like this. But what was the issue? Because we have been solved like previously like this only. So okay, so now this we have to mention the object that we created. Yeah, we have been done. So dynamic key create a functions that takes two argument. We have been taken a two argument, and key a name or value. So it is a key and it is a value, and return a new object containing the key and value pair. So yeah, this is the object which has a key and a value. So like this we have been solved. So do we need solve for next questions continue, or we will be continuing in tomorrow's session? If you are continue watching this, let us know on the comment section, so we will be decide on like that only. Just comment continue, so we will be continuing with the next question. Okay, so we got no response for now. Okay, so we are done with today's practice session. Meet you tomorrow. If you want to watch, so let just know. We are waiting for some time because some of our viewers are watching our session. So just want to know, we going to continue with questions? Uh, okay, let's close today's live session. Thank you for joining and practicing together. Meet you